Hello and welcome back to How to Build Software Without Coding. I'm Mr. Hackathon and I show you how to build software without coding. And in today's video, I am going to show you how to manage your application security with Base44. I have my application here and it's an application to help you develop your critical thinking. So what we have here, we can start the session, we can choose the scenario or the type of scenario, and it will generate a scenario for you, and you can either answer in multiple choice format or you can answer free form. So if we answer multiple choice, what it does, it critiques your answer and gives you points on how you think critically. So you can see here that's assessing the impact on your thinking skills, and you can go to the next question. We have a progress tracker here, and we also have your ranking here. So you can see where you rank and the badges that you earn. But what we want to do is manage the security. So we're going to go to dashboard, and we see this tab that says security. And here we can start security check. And it takes maybe 1 or 2 minutes, and it does a very, very quick security check of the application. We can see here that it says no secrets have been exposed. It says no unauthenticated backend functions are found, but it can find 4 row-level security recommendations. So what we can see here is all users have full access to a session, and if we hit the drop down, we can adjust this to restricts read and write access to sessions, ensuring users can only view and modify their own session data. And that's what we want to do. We want to make sure users can only view and modify their own session data. So we're going to apply the fixes. Same with user progress. We want a user to only be able to, allows all users to read progress data for their ranking, but restricts write access to the record owner. And I think we're going to apply this fix. We're going to see if that actually works. And user badge. We want users to only view and manage their own earned badges, preventing unauthorized access. Okay, that works. So now it's all restricted. If we go to view recommendations again, let's scan it. And it says it's okay now. I'm just gonna have a little chat with Base44. We can see here, if we go back, what I just did, I just clicked on user progress, and I can see the security rules for user progress. So read access rules. All users can access records. I don't want all users to be able to access that. Users can only access records they created. But what we have selected here is the entity user field comparison. So we want the created by field to be the user's email, and they only to have read access to that. We have a similar thing here with write access. We have created by and user email, and we only want them to be able to adjust and delete their own progress, which is actually happening automatically. So there's no function here. If we go back to our app and we go to progress, there's no functionality here for them to make that change manually through some kind of input form, but it's happening automatically from their account. So we're going to hit publish and publish that. That is a very, very quick overview of how to manage security with Base44. I'm sure they're going to add a lot more security features, since a lot of these vibe coding platforms are talking more and more about security. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me in the comment section, and happy hacking.